Okay, now I will introduce vertical angles. And what are vertical angles? Well, let's say we have these two lines here, and I have this angle over here, and that angle over there. They're opposites, right, to one another. And if we have a situation like this, these are vertical angles, or in other words, vertically opposite angles. And one very, very important thing is that they're always going to measure the same. So angle A and angle B are always going to measure the same, being that they're vertical angles. Then let's say that I have angles C and D here. These are also vertical angles. So they're also equal. So angle C is equal to angle D because they are opposite. Now, of course, A and C, though, they're not vertical angles, nor are A and D. Just the opposite ones are vertical. So let's say that, for example, we have 30 degrees here. That measures 30 degrees. And we want to find the values of angles X, Y, and Z, or Z. Z or Z, potato, potato. Okay, now, right away, because this angle right here, the red angle, is vertically opposite to angle Y, it must be that angle Y measures 30 degrees as well, because they're vertical angles. Great, but now how can we find the values of X and Z? Easy. Well, look at this. We have angles on a line right here. Let me pick a different color. Angles on a line. Oh, that's a silly color. So 30 plus X will equal 180 degrees because they're angles on a line. So you can just subtract 30 from both sides, and 180 degrees, 180 degrees minus 30 degrees is just 150 degrees. Great, so X measures 150 degrees. So how can we find angle, or the measure of angle Z? Well, that's also going to be just 150 degrees because X and Z are vertical angles. That's it.